British 18-year-old guy invented a semi-bicycle, which is simple and small, weighing only 8.5 kg, but the speed can reach 20 km per hour. This bike has no seat, people need to stand and ride, which can better help people coordinate their bodies. When riding, you only need to step on the pedal, so that the chain will rotate, thus driving the car forward, and the three-wheel design can also ensure a smoother ride of the bike. Sweden debuted the world's first automatic makeup machine, Moda, which can 3D print makeup onto your face in 30 seconds. It is connected to the phone via Bluetooth and can directly copy the hottest celebrity makeup, or customize it specifically for you. You just need to put your head close to the makeup machine. The machine will automatically scan your face, analyze the location of the user's features and skin condition, automatically complete the makeup for you, and also focus on the acne marks and various flaws that need to be trimmed, and the whole process can be done in just 30 seconds. With it, the ladies no longer need to get up early to do their makeup. World's most dangerous matches. Once lit, no matter how toss will not go out. It is a long length, burning time up to 15 seconds. No matter what, the wind cannot blow it out, even if buried in the soil with a foot twice. Take out the same burning, even if it is invaded into the water, cannot be doused. It simply can not be beaten. The automatically closed levee hidden underground is generally hidden underground to blend in with the surrounding environment, and once a flood occurs, it will automatically burrow out from underground to hold the flood within 2.5 meters. It turns out that the bottom of the levee is connected to the river, and when the flood gushes into the basin, the levee will slowly float out of the water due to the buoyancy of the water, achieving a 360-degree seal without dead ends, and each piece can be seamlessly connected to each other, and the length can be extended indefinitely. When the flood recedes, the floating wall will automatically follow the water level down to its original height and hide underground. Someone has designed a peculiar bicycle, which combines a bicycle and a rowing machine, through a rowing-like action, to provide power to the bicycle, both to avoid knee damage caused by cycling, but also to exercise the muscles of the whole body, in addition to the little waist part. It is no problem at all. You want to have such a bike. Don't joke about bricklaying anymore. With this Hadrian bricklaying robot, as long as 2 days to build a good villa, work it is often mounted on a truck, waving a 28-meter-long mechanical arm, can automatically calculate the location of each brick should be placed. Even the adhesive connecting the bricks is also a special construction adhesive, only 4 to 5 minutes to dry. I'm afraid that even bricklayers also have unemployment. Japanese Honda developed a motorcycle will not fall. It has a self-balancing induction device, can always adjust the direction according to the speed of travel and tilt angle, whether stationary or driving, can always maintain balance. The car is installed with a tracking system, within 200 meters, can be summoned. It can also automatically follow the forward. You want to have a motorcycle like this?